Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Marjelin, and in today's video I decided to show you guys a full face of me using products that don't test on animals, which is great. I'm trying to use up all the products that I have right now that do test on animals, so I've been kind of neglecting my cruelty-free makeup products because every day I gravitate towards the products that I'm trying to get rid of. So I haven't worn these in like a good maybe 3 weeks. Like, it's been a while, so it's definitely something that I wanted to film. I wanted to give you guys some options, you know, if you guys are looking into some cruelty-free, if you're interested. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be combining two primers. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Coverall Primer, which I believe now it's called like the Photo Focus Primer. I don't know what it's called, they renamed it, but it's the same formula, I believe. And I'm gonna be mixing it with a little bit of the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. Okay, not gonna lie, the pores on my nose kind of just disappeared. Like, I have massive pores on my face, so that's a good thing. For foundation, I'm gonna jump in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 300. I do like this foundation, but it might be an issue for me to be using this today because I'm a bit more towards the dry side, and this is a matte foundation, like really matte foundation, so it might cling to my dry spots and I don't want it to do that. When I'm really oily, this foundation is just everything. Definitely do not recommend if you have dry, flaky skin. For concealer, of course, I'm gonna jump into the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey. Tarte is also cruelty-free, but lately they've been getting a lot of hate because they released a new foundation and the shade range was literally very sad. So a lot of people were giving them crap for it. So yeah, that could be an issue. The concealer dried down on my nose, so now I just have a stripe. Let's just ignore that for now. Pretend it didn't happen. My bags are huge. I tried to go to sleep early last night. It didn't work out. So to set my concealer, I'm gonna take the number 7 translucent perfect light loose powder. I just bought this. I have not tried it. It's drugstore, but it's a little bit on the pricier side. Pricey. It's a bit expensive for drugstore. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a nice powder. There's something wrong on my forehead. My forehead is like flaking. Hold up. We're just gonna pretend that it's not happening. I think it's the combo of the foundation and my skin. I told you guys I'm more dry. We're moving on to contour. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. So I've really been thinking about posting 2 videos weekly, but that's a sacrifice. Like, it really is. I have a lot of homework to do. I get tired really easily. I don't know why. I'd rather sleep during the day than at night, and that's an issue because I film during the day, so my schedules like collide with one another because right now I want to sleep. Like, right now I'm really tired. I also believe I'm gonna start working soon, and I don't know how that schedule is gonna look for me, so I might have to invest on a ring light, change my setup a little bit. I don't know, but I need you guys to let me know if you want 2 videos a week or if you're fine with 1. Whatever you guys want, I'm happy to do, so let me know. For my brows, of course, I am taking the Anastasia Dip Brow in Chocolate. This is not my shade either. I've been trying to use this up for like a good, honestly, like 6-7 months, but it's just never ending. I feel like I keep digging and nothing. I want to buy a darker shade because this is too brown for me, and I feel like my hair at this point is more like dark. So yeah. Usually to set my face when I'm oily, I would use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. But since I am dry today, if I mattify my face, I'm gonna look worse than I do. So I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild regular setting spray. There's a matte one now, actually. But I'll just use this one, which I think is pretty, not dewy, but it doesn't dry out my skin. So it balances. I separated my Tarte blush so that I could use it, but I already sprayed my face, and let's just use it, whatever. I'm gonna take the Tarte blush in the shade Party or Partay. For the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my eyes. I'm thinking of a halo eye because I haven't really done a halo eye on my channel. At least I don't think I have. This is how I clean my brushes when I'm too lazy to actually clean them. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Silk Cream, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid. This is kind of our transition shade. I haven't used this eyeshadow palette since December. It's been a while. I think I'm gonna jump into the shade Pukey, which is this one, and I'm gonna put that on like the outer V and like our inner corner. Now I'm gonna take the shade, is it Roxanne? I have a feeling it's Roxanne. Haha, it's Roxanne, my girl. I'm gonna place it right on top of that Pukey color. Actually, I'm switching brushes. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna pack on Roxanne. That's what I'm gonna do. Is it me, or does your opposite eye, you know, like from like your dominant hand, always look weirder? I'm gonna go ahead and cut the halo eye using Tarte Shape Tape. That just took me like 10 minutes to do. Oh, I still have the other eye. I'm gonna cry. Is that good enough? Now I want to go ahead and pack on in light, which is this one. This is really bright. The one thing I really like about this eyeshadow palette is that there's really minimal to like no fallout. I'm gonna take a precision brush and I'm gonna take the shade Hunts, which is this really red looking shade. I'm gonna use that shade to blend the shimmer with that matte color. Okay, that doesn't look so bad. That's fine. I can live with that. That's fine. Let's start a petition for me to never do a halo eye ever again. I'm gonna memorize these names. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shade Hunts and run it along my lower lash line. A smaller brush, Central Park. We're gonna take the shade Central Park right near our waterline. I'm gonna take the shade Pukey, place that above the halo eye. Now we're gonna move over to mascara. I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess. I just bought this. I haven't really developed my full-on thoughts on it yet. She's there. She's doing something. This got really clumpy really fast. I have to be more careful next time. While my mascara dries, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter in Sin. Now, lips. I'm gonna use the Milani lipstick in 69. Why? Okay, and now for lashes. I hate doing my lashes on camera. Y'all about to see the struggle. Okay guys, so that was me doing a full face of cruelty-free products. That's all for today's video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!